Hello students, good morning to all. So today we'll start new lesson, lesson 2, Windows Movie Maker. So this Windows Movie Maker is a video editing software. What is this? This is a video editing software for Windows based computers. So it will work only on the Windows operating system. So system which has only Windows operating system. So this software, Windows Movie Maker editing software, video editing software will work. You cannot use this video editing software in other operating system like Mac or Linux or Unix. Okay, so formally this Windows Movie Maker is also known as Windows Live Movie Maker in Windows 7. This is free yet professional video editing software by Microsoft. It helps you easily and quickly. It helps you easily and quickly create your outstanding videos and then share them on the OneDrive. You can create your outstanding videos and you can share them on the OneDrive, Facebook, Vimeo, YouTube and Flickr, wherever you want. So as you are wondering how to use Movie Maker 2018, now you can read the Windows Movie Maker. So see first part. So this is a free software. You can download it and you can use it on the Windows XP, Windows 7. Okay. So this you can this Windows Movie Maker can be downloaded as a free part of the Windows Live Essential that include the mail. There you find the mail service, messenger, photo gallery, movie maker, writer, family safety, and other web-based services such as Drive and Outlook. Also, you'll get. So this with Windows Movie Maker, you can create the movies from any existing videos and photos which is present in your computer, whether they are already only in your computer or still in your camera. You can use that. This software helps you to create movies by using special effects. You can add the animation. You can add the transitions. Means like the when one slide will move the other slide. So what some effect, sound effect, or some other things will come like when you're seeing watching the movies the castings of the castings comes actor's name, producer, director, singers. So all this are transitions. So this software lets you create movies by using special effects, transitions and themes to make your movies stand out. You can make movie on various occasions like birthday parties and gatherings, family gatherings. So in just a few clicks, you can share your movies on social networking site also, such as Facebook and YouTube. Now we'll study that about the features of Windows Movie Maker and see how you'll get this Windows Movie Maker. So before creating a movie with the help of the Windows Movie Maker, you need to download and install this free video editing software. This is free. You can download it. So Windows Movie Maker was officially discontinued. This discontinued January 10th, 2017. But now I guess you might be wondering how do I get the Windows Movie Maker 2012? So that 7 is discontinued. Now you can download the best free editing software by clicking the following link is given here. From here you can download it if you want. So it helps the users easily to create the unique videos. Minitool also released a simple and free video editing tool, Minitool Movie Maker, with many wonderful movie templates you find. With this tool, you can easily create a cool Hollywood style movies. Subscribe to get this beta and try to make a cool video. So after downloading the Windows Movie Maker 2012, you can install in your Windows 10, 8 or 7. If you need instructions how to install this Movie Maker, so you can find the detailed steps as the information from this post here. You click on this link, you'll get that how you have to download, help you'll get. Okay, next how you import files to Windows Movie Maker. That is the other thing. So first of all, we discuss its features of Windows Movie Maker. First feature is the autosave. So autosave means the projects are automatically saved after a fixed interval of time. So while editing the software, after a fixed interval of time, 1 minute, 2 minutes, your work will be automatically saved. So projects are automatically saved after a fixed interval of time so that the data does not get lost in case of power failure. Suppose power failure is there is load shedding. So during that time you do not lost your data. So that's why after a fixed interval of time it auto save the content. Next, download music from online libraries. You can download the music from the online libraries also from online stores like Audio Micro and Vimeo Music Store. Audio from a video. Audio tracks can be extracted from video files. Only audio you can extract. Suppose the dialogues, if you want any film dialogue you want to extract and put it in your video, that also you can do it. Outline on text. So you can write the outline for the text. So outline can be added on the text elements to improve the visibility and appeal. So over the text outline you can create its border, you can create its appearance, you can change. You can modify the outline color also and size as per your requirement. Next is the feature. Next feature is the proxy video. So Movie Maker allows you a lower resolution video for preview purpose. For the preview purpose showing, you can prepare a low resolution video so that the software runs smoothly on any computer. So low resolution video will be run very easily on any computer. It requires less data bandwidth. Next, audio waveforms. Next feature is the last feature, audio waveforms. So audio can be represented as a waveforms in Windows Movie Maker. While you are playing the any music player, you see some waves of sounds. Musics are bars. You can see different heights of bars are representing. So similarly, there are waveforms you can create. Audio can be presented as waveforms in Windows Movie Maker. This helps to locate the audio file easily in a project. Next, that how you start the Windows Movie Maker. So for starting the Windows Movie Maker, so first of all you have to open the Windows Movie Maker. How? Click on the start button, go in the all programs and you'll find in the all programs Movie Maker. So where like this here, there is a start button, click on this and here you find this is the start button. Okay, now here see many programs are there. Windows Movie Maker will come in W. See in the W. This is the Microsoft Office package. Here. Windows 10, Windows Accessories, Windows Administrative Tool, Windows Powers and Windows Security. So Windows Movie Maker is not installed in my system. Now, components of Windows Movie Maker. What are the different components of the Windows Movie Maker that I will show you? As you can see there, this is the quick access toolbar. Here you find this is the quick access toolbar. Okay. Now that you can see the for the undo operation, for the redo operations, this is the title bar, this is the minimize button, this is the maximize button, and in the most right most corner you find the close button, cross shape. So let me increase the size, maybe you be able to see it full. Now you can see this is full. Okay, so this is the close button. Now this is the movie maker button. Here you find this is the movie maker button. This is the different tabs: file tab, home tab, animation, visual effects, project, view. Okay, this is also this is called the tabs, and you can also see the menu bar. This is the menu bar. So the horizontal bar just below the title bar is called the menu bar, and the menu bar contains see menus bar written. And this is a ribbon or toolbar, contain different types of the options. So home tab see contain, this is the file tab, contain the paste button, cut button, copy, add videos and photos with the help of this webcam video, record narration, snapshot, title, caption, credits. Here see themes, editing buttons are there, share where you want to share, sign in. Now this is the editing group. Now this you can see this is the preview window. What this is called? Preview window or preview monitor pan it is also called. This is called the storyboard. As you can see Here you find the preview full screen. If you click on this, it will be the full screen, movies control panel for fast forward, backward, and for the play button you find there. Okay, now here you find the change the thumbnail size. Thumbnail size you can change here. This is the zoom slider bar. Okay, so these are the different components. Now we study each component. So see, this is a title bar. Title bar is located at the top of the Windows Movie Maker. As you can see, title bar located at the top of the Windows Movie Maker. It displays the project name, like here my movie maker. Project displays the project name and its application title. Title bar also has a buttons for minimizing, maximizing, and closing the program. Next is the menu bar. It contains a collection of all the menus. Menu bar contains the collection of all the menus such as home, animation tab, visual effects, project, and view tab. These options allows to access, edit, and save the movies. Next, movie maker button. So this movie maker button is located on the extreme left of the menu bar. Extreme left of the menu bar, and contains features to create new project, open, save, or save a project, import image, etc. Next is the storyboard. Storyboard is used to arrange and manage the video clips in our project. It also shows the transition and visual effects that are applied to the clips. Okay, next is the preview monitor pan. So this preview monitor pan, you can see it is used to on the left side of the storyboard is a preview screen. So what you make the changes on the storyboard, you can see in the preview screen. So you will be able to watch your video here as you work on it. The advantage of using this pen that you can see how the final results will look like after adding the animation and transitions on your video and making the modification as required for publishing it. Okay, so that are the purpose. So this is all for the today, students. In the next class we will study how we add the images and videos to the Windows Movie Maker. Thank you for your kind attention.